Hey there, it's Greg. I wanted to walk you through the process of adding neighborhoods to your website so that if you have a customer searching for a particular community that you like to endorse, you can easily just send them to your website and they can find everything for sale in that particular neighborhood or community. So I'm going to share my screen and walk you through this process. So what we can see here is I'm on my Moxi Works website. This is something that I've added, something that you would not have by default. It says a neighborhoods drop down. I live in Village Walk, so if I wanted to promote Village Walk for customers or in using Google Ads, um, I would just click on this, and right now, any customer I send to this page is going to be able to see everything for sale in my community. And this will show pendings as well, which is nice. So let me walk you through the process of doing that. First, you're going to want to go to log into your MoxiWorks website or MoxiWorks account. Then you're going to click website. This gets you into the admin section of your website. Then we need to create a custom search. Add new search. And we're going to do Naples Park. What we have to do next is go onto our website. You need to search for Naples Park. It's right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw around this particular community. Trying to zigzag this line too much. Now I'm going to go into filters. And I'm going to make sure that I'm not excluding pending listings because I do want pendings to show up. By default, this will exclude the pendings. Make sure you manually uncheck that. Now I'll hit apply. And now moving forward, let me just come over here and make sure that I didn't. Okay, village walk is done. Perfect. Now we need to copy and paste this into this new search that we're creating. And the most important part of that is that we need to come up here and we need to delete the web domain. As you can see right here, it needs to start with search /. We're going to delete the web domain and hit save. Now we're going to create a new page. Maybe a custom search page. We're going to name it Naples Park Home for Sale. Now we need to pick this custom search we created, hit save. And now we need to park it in the right location. Let's go into pages. And you can see this was put there. I'm going to pop this right into my neighborhood section. Hit publish. And now when I come back to my website and refresh the page, Naples Park Homes for Sale is now an option. So if I wanted to advertise Naples Park Homes for Sale, I could copy and paste this into social media. boost it. I could create a Google Ads account, get all the keywords for Naples, park homes for sale, and have this be my landing page. And then as consumers land on this page, they can search for both pendings and actives. They can continue to filter down if they'd like to. And then once they hit, let's say they're interested in, this is a bad example for this pending, but anyway, they click on this one, they can see my, it's all branded to me. They can click favorite, and when they do that, it's going to prompt them to create an account. When they do that, it's going to automatically create a saved search for them. And as soon as they save that search and create the account, you're also going to get notified that you have a new lead, so then you can follow up with them. So this is a great way to do some additional advertising for yourself to get some internet leads. Let me see here. What else do we want to do? This is not going to be default on your website. So let's say you just created that that new search. By default, it's just going to land on the top ribbon of your landing your website homepage. So let's see here. I'm going to hit publish again. I just moved this Naples Park home search into the standard location that would have defaulted to. I'm going to click close, and I refresh this. Now you can see all of a sudden Naples Park homes for sale is in the top search ribbon. That's if you're going to do just one or two of them, it's fine for it to be there. But if you're going to do a whole bunch of them, you're going to want this drop down. So I'm going to walk you through this as well. Super simple. You can see that this is a drop down right here for neighborhoods. It's called a menu item. All you have to do is click add new. Menu item. And I name it. We'll just call it test. Now we're going to go back to our pages. And we're going to move Naples Park into test. Publish. Go back here. Refresh. Now we can see test, drop down, Naples Park. So it's pretty simple, as you can see. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to walk you through this process. I'd rather be happy to do it with you. Any one of our office coordinators can walk you through this. But at the end of the day, this video really shows you the step-by-steps on how to do that. So happy to help you anytime you need help, and have a great afternoon. Bye.